Today on Cloud Renegade, we're talking about the Yealink WH66 headset. Hey all, Adam here with Cloud Renegade, and today we're going to be talking about the Yealink WH66 headset. This is a dual connection headset that does both DECT and Bluetooth. But first I want to give a quick note of the fact that I'm wearing my brand new CommsV quarantine shirt. Huge shout out to all the sponsors who helped make this possible. This shirt was the one piece of swag that from 2020 that I got just for myself, and I'm hugely thankful for that. If you're not following CommsV, go on Twitter at CommsV. I know CommsV, we're going to bring a brand new website here in 2021. We've got lots of great ideas for how to bring community and UC together in a non-virtual event way that we're going to be bringing here in 2021, so stay tuned on that. But today we're going to get right into it. We're going to do an unboxing of this WH66 headset. Really excited to see this and test this out. I know others that I've talked to are excited about it. Heck, my wife is been bugging me to get this video shot so that she can actually do some testing with it. She's excited to see it and test it out as well. So maybe we'll have her do the review on the WH66. So with that, let's get to the unboxing. Okay, so here we have the box up for the Yealink WH66. It's a dual Teams headset. It's got DECT and it has Bluetooth, so it can connect to your laptop or desktop. It can connect to your handset if you've got a handset, and it can also connect to your mobile phone. If we look on the box here, we actually have a whole bunch of different models. We have a speaker mode. It's got a built-in USB hub. It also has a Q wireless charger. It also has a busy light. These are all really kind of cool stuff to me. So I'm super excited to see what we've got within the box. A couple things when it shipped to me. I actually did get the busy light here separately, as well as the wireless charger came in two separate boxes. So really quickly we'll open this up and see what this looks like here from the standpoint of the wireless charger. So the wireless charger just looks quite like this, pops right open. So kind of excited to see this and how all of this works. But looks like you can rest your device right here. Let's see what the busy light looks like. Nice little busy light here. Pop this out. Definitely will be able to see whether or not you're on a call or if you're available. So for in an office, this looks like a really nice way to do the busy light. I really think that the busy lights have been underutilized in office spaces. So hopefully people will start to utilize the busy lights, whether it's through Yealink or one of the other companies that does it. But the Yealink busy light definitely looks pretty nice. So we'll see how that attaches here in just a minute. All right, so now we get to open the box. What's in the box? That's right. So first off, we've got the quick start guide. I'll read that later. Why do we need to read that now? So first off, we've got the headset. First impression, super, actually pretty nice. Very light overall, which I know sometimes people will complain they kind of want some heft to their devices, but I'll be honest, I have found that the heavier the device on your head, especially in an all-day situation, that the head that it actually gets really starts to wear on you. So a lighter weight device is really nice. I can see right here the power prongs for charging the headset. One thing I do like already that I can see is that the headset swivels, so whether you prefer it on the left or if you prefer it on the right, it will work for you. I'm a big proponent of, I really like, for whatever reason, the boom mic to be on the left-hand side of the device for myself. So this is kind of nice to see that ability to have it. It also has the Teams button right here. Hopefully that comes through on the camera, as well as the phone icon. So we got touch button here, which works out fantastic. So put that back in here, and we will pull this out. Which will unveil the next piece of this, which should be the docking station. And so here we have the docking station. Really looks pretty nice, pretty firm, and pretty well put together. So we'll see how this all fits back together. We've got two USB hub ports on the side, as well as the connections, hard to see probably, but we have connections for our power, and then going over to our PC for connecting to the PC. And then we'll have our speakerphone down here, as well as our touch screen. Put that back in. And underneath all of this is our power and power cable, as well as power cable came out of the bag, as well as our USB cables. It has a USB-C connection, USB-A to USB-C, as well as USB-A to USB-A connection as well that comes into the box. And so there we have it, the Yealink WH66 headset. Again, just to showcase this a little bit more, we have just the headset, like I said, nice and light and feels well put together, and we're going to give that a go now.